Well, boys, we are back inside the new Auction Cateye. For the people that don't know, I just recently bought this from auction. It has 188,000 miles, and I just drove it to my friend's shop who is a mechanic, and I'm going to have him look it over and tell me what I need to buy. This thing drove great, very cold AC, nothing wrong with anything besides like a little misfire, and you could definitely hear an exhaust leak. So far, I think this was a W purchase. Dude, this thing is pretty freaking sick. All right, let's go get my friend and have him check it over, and let's see what's wrong with the Auction Cateye. Also, I just noticed this has a brand new battery. It says 24 right on it, so brand new battery. Ricardo's coming out in a little bit. He's gonna check it out and tell me exactly where the misfire is and what to buy so we can have this running really nicely. So, problem solved. We have a misfire, and the two rear ones, so 7 and 8, are misfiring. That's eBay coils?
They sell this at the auto parts store.
So I just need the two rear ones? Bro, they never want to touch my Honda, but I bring a truck in and they don't even hesitate to help me. Look at that. Probably because it's dirt easy to do it. He put a spark plug on it just to see if it makes spark. So this thing is definitely making spark, so that leads to fuel injectors next. So that coil works. So these guys are telling me how easy it is to work on these cars, like easier than Hondas, and like, dude, the fuel injectors to replace the rail is literally this bolt there and that bolt, 2 bolts holding the whole rail. I thought they were kidding when they said these are like really easy to work on. This one's making spark as well. You can see it right there. So now we know the injectors are probably the bad part about this truck. All right, Ricardo's giving me the game plan. What am I gonna do?
All right, so now that you know you have spark, switch the injector from this one to the back one and see if the misfires goes to the back.
And if it switches to this side, then the injector's bad. Gotcha. All right, boys. Well, we have a plan now. We're going to go home. We're going to let this cool a little bit. Take the rail off. Switch injectors. If that injector moves the misfire to a different place, we know the injector's bad. Do you think the engine's bad?
No.
It seems healthy, doesn't it? Seems pretty healthy. So, consensus, 2 bad injectors. So we're just going to swap them, see what happens. Hopefully that's an easy fix, and this thing is running on all 8 cylinders again.
Soy la mala influencia y eso te gustó. Eres niña mala, se nota mi amor. Eres una diabla.